I'm a manager of multiple content creators and I manage their details very regularly on YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms. Here is my use case. I want that as soon as in one of my content creators' YouTube channel, a video is posted, automatically I want the status on my WhatsApp that there is a new video published. A message should be forwarded with the link of the video so that I will be notified every single time the content is posted on my creator's YouTube channel. Now, receiving such notifications manually, asking someone to actually send me a notification every single time a video is posted, is a time consuming part. Many times, the person might forget to send me the notification, sends me a different video's notification or other creator's notification. Now, instead of creating this chaos and instead of doing anything manually, what I have done is I have created this setup. As soon as now in any of the creators' YouTube channel, a new video is published, automatically I will receive a WhatsApp notification that there is a new video published and this is the title, this is the link of the video. You can go and watch it right now. So if you want to create the setup that will automatically notify you whenever a new video has been published on your YouTube channel, and you want an instant notification of that video on WhatsApp, then let me show you how you can actually do this. So first of all, I'm going to show how it is going to work. In front of you, I will publish a new video. Let me create and upload a new video right now. So I'm going to upload this video, okay? So I've selected the file. After the video has been uploaded right here, I have to enter the title and the description with other details. So let me do that. You can see the title is Amazing Butterfly Close-Up, Natural Sounds and Wildlife in 4K. This is the description that I've added with the details as well as I've entered the tags that is required. So now as I've added all the details, now I'm going to publish this video in front of you, okay? I'm going to simply public this video and publish it. As soon as now I will do that, you will see within few seconds the video is published. So as now the video is published, now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I will show you that how within few minutes of the video been published, I will receive an automated WhatsApp notification. So I will wait for few minutes and then I'll show you the message I've received. Now few minutes has passed by. If I will open my WhatsApp, you will see yes, I have received the notification. New video published. Hi test user, that's my name. Our latest video, Amazing Butterfly Close-Up, Natural Sounds, Wildlife in 4K is now live. And if I will open this link, you will see I will be forwarded towards the same YouTube video that I have currently published on my YouTube channel. You will see this is the same video. So as now I have received an instant notification on WhatsApp, you can see right over here as soon as the new video was published. This is how this amazing setup is actually going to work in real time. And now you can create this setup as well. I am not a person who has a degree in computer science. I'm not a technical person. I don't have any coding and programming skills knowledge. But then also I can create the setup very easily with the help of an automation software that allows you to create such amazing automations without need of any technical coding and programming skills or any specialized degree. So let's move on to this video where you can learn how you can create this amazing setup. I'm going to use this software in the name of Pabbly Connect. This software helps you to create such amazing automations for your business without need of any technical coding and programming skills. If you want to search for Pabbly Connect and use it right now and learn how you can create this setup with me, on a new tab search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to this landing page. Now if you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month to create and test out Pabbly Connect's more amazing features. And if you're planning after using Pabbly Connect and if you like using Pabbly Connect, you are planning that I should use this automation software, and I think you should because it is going to help you to grow your business, you can purchase our yearly or one-time plans. And if you want additional discounts on any of our plans, use the code on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Now I am already a user, I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, and I've already opened the template of the workflow that I will teach you in this video. If you want this template as well to use for yourself, you can check out the workflow link added in the description section below. The workflow is free to use. Now let's create this amazing setup. My trigger is YouTube new video in channel with video URL. As soon as a new video will be published on my YouTube channel, my creator's YouTube channel, I want with the video URL, the trigger should capture the response of the video. So now let's create the connection. Go to the connected option, click on this add new connection section and click on this sign in with Google button. Next, it is asking for us to select an account. You have to select your creator's account or your own YouTube account with the help of which you are managing the YouTube channel. This is the account I'll select it from here. And then it is asking for the permission, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection is created, for the channel ID, you have to select the channel ID on which the YouTube video will be posted and the response of that video should be captured. So my channel is created in the name of test channel. So I've selected the ID from here. You can select it from the drop down, select the simple response format and then click on the save and send test request button. The last video that was published on your YouTube channel will be captured in the trigger response. So before we do that, I'm going to add in and upload a new video on my channel and check whether the YouTube video is successfully captured in my trigger response or not. Through that, we are going to check whether the connection is created or not. Okay, so I'm going to enter this video title, description, tags and everything and show you the final response. So as you can see, this is the title, The Beauty of Antarctica, Amazing Penguin Wildlife in 4K UHD. This is the description with all the other details. So as now I have added in all the details, I'm going to click on this next button and publish the video directly. So I'm going to do that and publish it. As soon as you will do that, you will see on my channel, the YouTube video has been successfully published. If I'll go back, you will see automatically this video has now been published. So if I'm going to go back to my trigger, click on the save and send test request button, you will see automatically the response of the same video has been captured in this trigger. That is what The Beauty of Antarctica, Amazing Penguin Wildlife in 4K. This is the description with all the other details and most importantly, the video URL is also captured. If I'm going to open this URL on a new tab, you will see it's the same video that I've published right now in front of you. So as now the video has been published successfully on my YouTube channel, our trigger setup is now been done. Instantly, whenever you will upload a new video, the response won't be captured because YouTube is a polling based trigger. Over here it says the trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. In every 10 minutes, this trigger is going to check for the new data, and if there is any new video published on your channel, the response will be captured in the trigger one by one. If you want to change this trigger time, right click on the set trigger time option and select the time from the drop down according to your requirement. Okay. After setting up the trigger, let's send a WhatsApp notification on my number. For that, simply, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow send text message. I use Pabbly Chatflow to manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, how you can set up the account, what are the features and everything, you can check out all the videos in the description section below. Now using Pabbly Chatflow, I will be sending a text message. For that, I've selected the particular action application as well as the event. Click on this connect option and go towards this add new connection section. Now we have to enter the token. To have the token directly, go towards this hyperlink and you will come to your own Pabbly Chatflow account. After coming to your account, you have to go towards the settings and API and webhook section. Now after coming to over here, you will see this is the token. Copy the token from here and paste it down in this field and create the connection by clicking on the save button. Like that, I've already created the connection, so I will select the existing connection from before. Now we need to enter the recipient phone number to whom we want to send the WhatsApp notification to. I want to receive a notification on my WhatsApp number. So over here in the field, I'm going to enter my number. After entering my number, next I have to enter the WhatsApp message that I want to receive. For the WhatsApp message, this is the kind of message that I want to receive. So I'm going to copy the format and paste it down in this field. Now I want some of the text to be bold. So in front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence, I'm going to simply add the stars. Now over here, I have to enter this title. Now over here for the data of this particular field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you need to map the data, add a slash and search for the thing that you want to map. I want to map the title, so I've searched for the title. And as for this YouTube video, I want to send a notification on WhatsApp. I'm going to select the date of the title from my previous response, which makes this particular data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new video will be captured, automatically the response will be there in the trigger. The response will be updated in place of this mapped data. And for the watch here, I'm going to map the data of the URL that I've received of my video. So I've mapped the data right here as well, okay? Now after entering the message, next it is asking for the name of the contact. My name is test user, so I'm going to enter the name. This name will be saved inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Opt-in is going to be yes, incoming block is going to be no, and then it is asking for other details, which I will skip the part. I don't want that, and simply then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, you will see automatically I've received this response, which is a positive response. And if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, I have received this notification. New video published. Hi test user. The beauty of Antarctica. You can see the same title. And if I'm going to open the URL, it is the same video that has been published. So as I've received the notification instantly, this means the connection between these two applications is now created. Now whenever a new YouTube video for your creator, or if you're a creator yourself, a new video has been published on your channel, you will receive an instant notification on WhatsApp. So this is how you create the setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills, guys. If you're planning to purchase our yearly and one-time plans of Pabbly Connect, use my code. You will get most amazing discounts. The discounts are very high right now. It's for limited time only. So go ahead and use the code right away. So this was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.